Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to cancel Capcut app subscription. To cancel your Capcut app subscription, you could follow these simple steps. So first thing first, you could also open up your Capcut application and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So here, what next you could do is go to the Me option. You could go to the Me or the profile icon, and then here you should be able to find your manage account option. So here you should be able to find this delete cancel subscription option. However, if not possible, then you could also go to your Play Store, and what next you could do is go and click on the profile or the Google account, and then you could go to payment and subscription. You could find subscription, and here you should be able to find the subscription for Capcut. So click on the cancel button, and this way you could go ahead and cancel your subscription on Capcut. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.